Hello everyone. Hedgerows and hills. I'm 20 miles from Berwick upon Tweed. It's about 7 p.m. This little fellow is twittering away. And if I want to do an extra 20 miles, then I have to eat, as always. So I found this wee corner. Relatively quiet apart from that car. There's still a bit of heat in the sun to give me a wee charge, which allow me to charge along tonight on the bike. There's a castle over there. If you zoom in, you'll be able to see it. I hope it's still light enough. There's a lovely sea breeze. It's been a cracking day. I've met lovely folk. I've chatted too much, but there's nothing new there. I'm about to go and have my usual. Tonight it's well, every night it's a peanut butter sauce with paprika, garlic, onion, and semolina I've added to it tonight. And it's been a magnificent trip. It's almost finished. From Berwick I've got 1 day, 2 days, 3 days cycle, and I'm back in Aberdeen. Breathing in, I calm my body. Breathing out, I smile. Immerse myself in the present moment. I know it's a beautiful moment. It's all we've ever got, the moments. You must make the most of them. As always, a big hug, much love, Eric.